Experts Speak on Child Psychology, a presentation by experts Ashley Riley, May 5, 2014, PSY 496. Brief overview. Child psychology. Child psychology involves looking at the issues, the stages, and the various influences that a child will experience throughout their development into a functioning adult. Child psychology is broken down into two areas: the process of psychological development and the analysis and treatment of various problems a child may experience. Child psychology is important because it is complex and unique. At one time, it was thought that a child was a small version of an adult. Now, because of child psychology, that has changed. There are several different controversies in child psychology. Some are nature versus nurture, maturation versus learning, and early experiences versus later experiences. Two main questions are asked in child psychology. Is development because of genetics or environment? Is development a slow process, or does it happen in stages? Introducing our experts. Expert 1. Gail F. Melson, Ph.D., Emerita Professor. Dr. Melson is an Emerita Professor at Purdue University in the Department of Human Development and Family Studies. Dr. Melson is one of the leaders in the growing field of human-animal interaction. Expert 2. Joel L. Young, M.D., Medical Director. Dr. Young is the founder and medical director of the Rochester Center for Behavioral Medicine. His main focus and interest is ADHD and treatment-resistant depression. Expert 1. Dr. Gail F. Melson. Dr. Melson has done studies to prove that through animals and nature, children can learn certain skills. These skills are humane attitudes and behaviors, empathy and social skills, nurturing and appropriate caregiving, resilience in the face of stress, biological understanding, ecological sensitivity and responsibility. Melson, 2014, Para 2. Using robotic animals can help children achieve these skills. Dr. Melson participated in a study that was done on children and their feelings toward the mistreatment of dogs. 86% of the children stated that dogs do have moral standing. The recommended website by Dr. Melson is Psychology Today, Why the Wild Things Are, which she often contributes to. Expert 2, Dr. Joel L. Young. Dr. Young and the Rochester Center for Behavioral Medicine have done research on the use of cognitive behavioral therapy. He regularly uses this therapy in his clinical trials and when treating patients. Cognitive behavioral therapy helps the patient develop tangible strategies for recovery. Young, 2012, Para 7. Dr. Young recommends the Mental Illness Research Association website. This organization provides funding for brain research and education courses for people with brain disease. Compare and contrast. Expert 1, Dr. Melson. Point 1, Animal-Human Interactions. Point 2, Harnessing Technology. Point 3, Evidence-Based Research. Expert 2, Dr. Young. Point 1, Maturation. Point 2, Cognitive Behavioral Therapy. Point 3, Clinical Trials. A common idea: evidence-based research.